EVS MCQ'S content and pedagogy. Which of the following is the least wanted objective of EVS? To memorize maximum concept in EVS and read textbook loudly in the classroom. Asking the question, how will our life get affected if there were no water available on earth? MPTET sensitizing the students on using water effectively and save water. Harleen, an EVS teacher, wants to sensitize her students about the importance of trees in the environment and the impact of deforestation and cutting down trees on our lives. Best effective ways to achieve the objectives would be to encourage the students to adopt a tree and look after it regularly and tell them the impacts of climate change by connecting it to their real life experiences. The thematic approach in EVS in primary level includes the fusion of science, social science and environmental education. There is a picture showing an example of a man cooking food in the kitchen in the theme food in EVS at primary level is included in order to show break gender stereotypes. Which one of the following is a desirable teaching practice while teaching EVS in primary level? Inculcating skills like problem solving and critical thinking. Which one of the following is not a purpose of no right, no wrong types of questions in EVS textbook exercise? It helps average and below average students to pass the final exam easily. Which of the following teaching approaches should not be followed while teaching EVS at primary level? Abstract to concrete. Diagnosing the area of learning difficulties of students come under assessment for learning. Which of the following statements about the discussion and narration method is not appropriate? It is more suitable for the lower primary class students. A teacher experimented on dissolved oxygen in the water. She then asked the students to think about the reason behind that happenings. The process skills used in the answering this question is observational skills. Neha, an EVS teacher, gave class 5th students an outline of parts of plants and asked them to draw the parts of flowers before teaching the chapters on plants. Here, the teacher wanted to assess students' ideas about flowers. Which of the following statements are correct in the context of EVS teaching? So, two are correct, that is child-centered teaching learning and integrated teaching based on real-life situations, which is not a method of environment education. So, presumption. Among the following, which one is not the objective of environmental education? So, it's understanding interrelationship of humans with the rest of the world. Uttarakhand shares its international boundaries with Tibet and Nepal. Which of the following abiotic factor affects seeds as they grow into young plants? Air, water, heat and light. How many players take part in Kho-Kho? 9. Akhil walks 2 km towards east and then turns left and walks 2 km. In which direction is he with respect to his initial position? Northeast. Which of the following disease is caused by a virus? Polio. In which of the following lakes of Jammu Kashmir floating gardens are found? Dal. Which of these is not a kharif crop? So wheat is not a kharif crop. What is the meaning of tundra? Treeless polar desert found in the high latitude. Which of the following is a cold-blooded animal? So it's lizard. The Indus Valley civilization belonged to the Bronze Age. Houses on wheels are called caravans. When is the World Environment Day observed? June 5. Water harvesting is a method which increases groundwater level. What do dolphins, bats and porpoise use? Ultrasound. Who made the first telephone call? Alexander Graham Bell.